2024 Nissan Navara is almost here, and this famous pickup truck will receive a couple of major updates. That includes a range of upgrades, from brand new styling to refreshed interior and possibly new powertrain options. The upcoming 2024 Nissan Navara will probably receive a new engine option. However, there's more to come, as Nissan plans to deliver some sort of hybrid powertrain. On top of that, some rumors are already predicting an all-electric version. All three outcomes are quite plausible, but only one or two of them will actually happen. Another big task for Nissan is to improve Navara's off-road capability. Therefore, off-road trim levels such as Pro 4X will receive a couple of upgrades under the skin as well. As for the regular Nissan Navara, a 2.3-liter turbo diesel will be on offer once again. New optional engine is reportedly in the works. Unfortunately, we don't know if it's hybrid output or a regular internal combustion engine.